get it, right? I'm like, okay, let's get a fucking lead. Then he starts, and then he's shooting. It's because he made it with Jello. Jello got under 10 seconds. That's why he started shooting. That's why he started shooting. I don't know, but yo, I would have been fine if you were up there. Yeah. Like, close game. I don't want to lose to a bottom side.
What time? How long did it take for you to get to work?
30 seconds.
But, so then, like, fucking just...
Like, leave my crib at 10, alright?
Yeah. Just brush your teeth and...
We'll wake up at, like, 9:30?
9:30, yeah. 9:30 and 9 is good. I mean, yeah. Yeah, 9:30, why?
9:30 and then...
Me, I have work at 10 tomorrow, too.
Same place? You still work there?
Yeah.
I stopped going because it made me fat.
I stopped drinking it too much too.
I just drank water.
No, dead ass. Made me gain weight.
Because I'm taking creatine, so like.
Oh, you been in the gym grind? Yeah, you have to hella take water if you're drinking creatine.
I have to get back on it because last week she said that.
She was what?
She was feeding me for like dinners and stuff.
Oh. So you haven't. You could still drink creatine every day, even if you don't work out. You know.
I got my radar, so like I don't want to be like moving a lot.
Moving a lot.
Because my graduation's on Monday, so I gotta like.
Oh shit.
And then after I don't.
Do you pay for your braid ups? Are you subbing? Yeah.
Yeah, I pay like $30. 35.
Oh. Do you know somebody?
Yeah.
Three more.
Like I go to two girls. One girl does this, any design, all the random designs you see, $35.
That's pretty good.
But
For braid up? Does she do it for a living?
not really, like it's to the side. Like, she doesn't want to like scam people or something like that.
Yeah.
Like I let her try new designs on me, so
Oh.
build that relationship with her.
Yeah.
And the other girls, I pay more
How much?
for start to last long.
Oh, and it actually lasts. So,
This lasts like 2-3 weeks.
keep putting like,
I don't want to keep putting like shit in my hair.
oh,
I use the box to be.
no, for the one time, and keep putting a do-rag on every night.
Bro, because stuff that she uses, it becomes soft.
Oh.
Like this is like so soft.
So let me take a gel, maybe. I
Why
read
am I,
just
why,
hair a lot. What?
why am I gonna tell my brother to take it?
Or just bring gel and be like, oh, are you able to use this gel? You know? Like, you don't have to, like, tell her to, like, change it. Just be like, yo, can you, like, buy the gel? And be like, yo, do you mind using this gel? It helps.
But the other girl, she does it. The thing is, you see with this, like, I can squeeze it.
It's, like, tight, right?
I can squeeze it, it's tight, and like I can mold it, you know, like if it's like this.
Yeah.
Like the flyaways don't start till like the second, third. This starts like first week.
Yeah. Say, does she push it on your hair, though?
I can put shit in my hair now.
First time now? I'm not sure. I didn't see. I'll just ask the ref. Ask the ref now. Check. For the pants. Yes. And then this one, you got the font for this? I don't know.
Like when I cut my hair, it's like $40.
15. Really?
Yeah, so like imagine adding like 80. But the other guy's like $10 a braid.
$10 a braid?
Yeah, but this girl will do like 35 or something.
Yeah, just like
And it's
put
private.
private.
She does it in her basement. There's like a TV and all that.
Red. Oh, really? What was that, two? It was? I heard red.
Oh, good move.
Yeah.
I crossed it over and then I took it in.
Try just tying it, yeah. Or try like braiding it if you have more than 3 strands. Braid it together so it stays intact. But I just adjusted it. It comes out so, but I barely use gel. Or he's had that for a week.
Wait, like I just like
A week or a half.
I crossed it over and then tuck it in and then
bonnet on it, or do you guys do that? Is like the bonnet tight or loose?
You get like a big one.
Yeah, the sleeve is a big one.
The one that the tie?
Oh, he doesn't have the tie one.
But I don't have the tie one.
Yeah, it's just the loose one, yeah. Sub? Are you subbing? Okay. Fuck, I did not. I think one, two red. Definitely red, but I don't know. I didn't see the number. He's just like throwing. You can ask him right now while he walks by. Wait.
12 red.
Oh. You didn't say anything, no?
Did he shoot already?
Or no? The white team.
This guy shoot?
Yeah. Does he not have a jersey? He should have a jersey, right?
So you do a half, half.
Yo, you know who brought me in? Joshua.
Yeah, because he's a troll.
It's actually bad.
Yeah.
Where is it? Is it the one with Jeff?
Yeah.
Is it Resident? They're for like 50, right? That's right.
I'm ready for white.
Oh my god, no, stop this.
If you want, I could do stats the next two games, and you could just go over it if you want. So we can switch off half.
That's it.
Dunk it!
Yeah. 4 points. The top 12. Yeah.
That's a tough bucket.
Basic quality, yeah.
So they. So Sam just got free bread.
Was not a 2. Justin, he's trying to say there was a 2. It's a 3. No, it wasn't. He said 3. And the ref is right there. Like, don't ask me. Like, why are you fucking talking to me? The fuck? Like.
What's happening?
Same thing.
Every time.
Yo. Like, holy shit. Sub.
Which one? Oh.
What do you guys just
What am I gonna play?
Act like it's my doing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like, what?
What's going to 6 and 8?
Yeah. This one? Wait, no, it wasn't. I don't remember which one. These.
Not tier 4. That is a tier 3. Good move. Yeah, I know, but what team was that? Oh, was it the purple team? Huh? 21st? Team was that?
Let's tell them to shoot out.
Cash out.
RBA them big.
I'm gonna do that. No, oh, yeah, I'm gonna fuck. I'll talk back. You wanna talk to me? Talk to my big ass mouth. Talk to my big ass mouth. Why?
Because you talk back and you're scared.
So? The fuck was he gonna do? Punch me?
Hey.
What if he punches me? What are you doing? Exactly. You get mad at You're not fucking touching him. You're not touching him. You're not touching him
Jack and
though.
my boys were right.
See, like, 5 ice cream. Fight it.
He's not
going
wrong.
off a brick. My portable died. I have a USB-C brick. I need that. Huh? I do have one. Okay. Shut up. I love talking about. You want to be bitchy? Have an
I
attitude?
love talking back to you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Barely. Only to the refs.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Hey!
that was a pass.
Oh, you passed it?
Nah, he missed the lay and then.
Hold up. That's right. Boom. He has one spot.
Wait, what did you say?
No drink. What straws? What the hell you from? Yo, what's your left?
Then
See, this is, you know, I gotta do that.
really? I get for alcohol, but like, no, they allowed us for like bevs.
Like what?
Shit.
You know what I think? It's because there's no maintenance.
Like, what do you mean? The white guy always do.
You know, rent spaces,
Yeah.
there's maintenance. So the actual people working at the front desk, it's not their
Yeah.
job to clean up any spills.
Yeah, that's true, but like we also clean it up after. Like every night before we pack up and fucking leave, we clean up the shit because they always fucking complain.
Yeah, but it's also a thing where it's like they side players decide the leaders with the top top.
Yeah.
It's like if they get hurt, somebody screws it up.
Oh yeah.
They can't blame us. They can blame charity.
Yeah. That's why they're so strict on the fucking rule. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You have the same score. You have the same score. I feel like I'm like
Then you're supposed to get snack.
Careful, you have to put away your drink. They don't want drinks with straws in it.
really,
So I say finish it and
but
then
they didn't see that.
pour it out after.
Wait, why? Tell them.
They said no drinks with straws in it.
That's crazy.
They said they could. But they said if it, they said they have to clean it up last time. They had a couple drinks.
When?
Us.
Yeah, it shouldn't be us.
I don't know, they just say.
Just in general? What the heck? No way. Or just hide it, like, so it's not, so they don't see it, but I don't know. I think they pop in and out.
Can I go?
Yeah, you're good to go. Yeah.
One more.
37 points. 37 points. Yeah, technical. It's nice, bro.
One.
137 points. On the clock. It's so easy. It's too easy. I guess I'm nose blind.
You are, brother. Bro, what? You're blind. Or just dust.
You bamba.
Let's share a fun off.
You know, the basketball player. At least you're not at the honeymoon. That's oh my goodness. Parmesan is terrible.
I know, right? Stinks.
What the? Isn't it just tied?
No, it's a kickball. Two.
Yeah!
Yeah, when you're in the washroom, red called timeout. You made that, yeah.
Yeah, 5 guys. The one called that. What happened?
23, bro. 23.